Welcome back to our podcast. Myself, Dr. Swastik Dolia. Now, today's topic of this podcast is average number 231 to 244 intermittent and alternating diseases. Now, average number 231 intermittent and alternating diseases. Intermittent diseases are febrile and afebrile. Now, average number 232. Alternating diseases are numerous, belong to the class of chronic diseases. Now, average number 233 or footnote 2, average number 232. 2 doubtful alternating or 3 stated may be alternate to with each other. For example, pains in legs alternate with ophthalmia. Convulsion and spasm alternates. Sometimes they may be opposite manners. Now, average number 233. Typical intermittent diseases. Now, average number 234. Non-febrile tropical intermittent diseases. Attacks single patient at time. Now, average number 235. Epidemic or sporadic intermittent fever or management of intermittent fever. It composes the paroxysm of 2 or 3 alternating state: cold, heat, sweat. The remedy selected should on the general class of the approved medicine, non-antisodic, which must be able to produce some alternating state of most strongest peculiar alternating state. The chief guide to selection of homeopathic medicine will state of apyrexia. Its chief guide, footnote number first. Pathological recognize only one type of intermittent fever, which they terms ague and distinguish them by paroxysm of quotidian, tertian and quartan. What in innumerable varieties of these fevers, their fits are consist of various combinations of the paroxysm of heat, cold and perspiration. Those cases which are not suitable to cinchona bark when treated with large doses causes peculiar chronic work dyscrasia, which can scarcely to restore the health. Footnote number 2. Dr. Woningason has rendered better service than any of my Hahnemann disciples, has best elucidated this subject on his work Essay on Homeopathic Treatment of Intermittent Fever, published on 1833. Now, average number 236. Appropriate time for administering the remedy in intermittent fever. Footnote: opium, if administered in moderate dose in cold state, quick deprive the life of the patient. Average number 237. Time of prescribing medicine when there is short attack of disease. If apyrexia is short, then it should be administered. Now, average number 138. Repetition of same medicine. All are same except in same of the single medicine can be repeated as per new method of dynamization. Now, average number 239. Every medicine causes different peculiar fevers. Average number 240. Intermittent fever and antisodic medicine. If homeopathic remedies for the prevalent epidemic do not affect cure in some patient nor markedly distinct preventing the cure, then it is due to the soric mare which needed as antisoric treatment. Now, average number 241. Intermittent genus epidemicus. Epidemics of intermittent fever where none are endemic. It depends on the nature of chronic disease, composed of single acute paroxysm, contain peculiar uniform character common to all. Now, average number 242. Phoric intermittent fever In such type of epidemic intermittent fever, the first paroxysm is left uncured or treated with allopathic medicine, then internal sora develop. Now, approach number 243, treatment of pernicious intermittent fever, which attacks a single person. We may first administer a non-antisoric remedy, which, what if recovery is deferred, then an antisoric medicine is required. Now, aphorism number 244, endemic intermittent fever. Intermittent fever is martially distinct or endemic. For endemic of intermittent fever from the residing in martially distinct, 1 or 2 very small doses of cinchona, which well regulated mode of living will speedily free from diseases. Footnotes: large doses of cinchona bark or other concentrated cinchona remedy, sulfate of quinine, will free them the Mars ague, what are not perfectly cured with antisoric treatment. Thank you.